San Diego County officials say they are working to determine if the region was affected by a technical glitch at the state level that may have undercounted cases.
Primarily from the commercial labs.
Supervisor Nathan Fletcher says results confirmed by county and local labs are reported back to the county, but commercial labs communicate directly to the state.
There's been a breakdown in that reporting system at the state. They're working to rectify it. Our team has been in contact with the state and are determining how many tests were missing and over what time frame.
Because of that, not all tests they processed, which Fletcher says is not an insignificant amount, may not have been clearly communicated with the county.
We know and expect those to be shared with us in the near future.
Until then, he says it would be irresponsible to speculate on how many were missed or their results. But officials say staff is making progress on how quickly they're investigating new cases that are reported to the county.
So this is very good news, and we, again, as of yesterday, were not backlogged with any of our case investigation assignments.
San Diego County's public health officer, Dr. Wilma Wooten, says the increased staff and recent lower number of daily cases helped it improve on this point. She says lower daily cases also helped improve the county's case rate to get it closer to coming off the state's watch list.
And it is really thanks to everyone in San Diego that have done their part to change this metric. So we want everyone to keep up the great work, and hopefully next week we will see that particular metric also normalize.
However, this differs from what's currently listed on the state's website, and Wooten says that could be outdated or using a different calculation. The county is also still seeing far more community outbreaks at businesses than its threshold. Supervisor Greg Cox announced a new compliance hotline for San Diego's to report those not in line with public health orders.
The number for the call center is 858-694-2900. Once a complaint is received, a call will be made to the business or entity to discuss the problem or concern. The goal will be to relay the complaint, learn about their operation, and seek to determine if there is a violation.
At the same time, organizations are working with county officials to better engage the Hispanic community, which has been hard hit by the virus. Mauricio Torre at South Bay Community Services says the organization is connecting those who test positive with Spanish-speaking peer educators known as promotoras.
The continuous contact is done with the goal of keeping the individual well informed on the resources and actions to take to support the recovery process and protect the community's health.
Supervisors also voted to provide 200 tests a day at the border for crossing essential workers and U.S. citizens. That's expected to launch in a few weeks. Tarryn, Mento, KPBS News.